Egg salad with a creamy dressing, an original alternative side for meat dishes. Serve it for dinner and you won't regret it. Join me in making dressed egg salad. Ingredients. To prepare the salad: 1 butterhead lettuce, around 175 grams, half teaspoon salt. For the dressing: 3 tablespoons 10% spirit vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons water, 2 teaspoons sugar, 100 milliliters sour cream. For the eggs: 2 large eggs, around 1 liter water. Notes: you can replace the vinegar with the same amount of lemon juice. You can replace the cream with Greek yogurt. The amount of water needed for cooking the eggs will depend on the size of the saucepan. There should be enough water to cover the eggs completely. Kitchen accessories: medium saucepan, small saucepan, large bowl, 2 tablespoons, teaspoon, grater, optional paper towel. Directions: preparing the eggs, part 1. Put the hob on medium heat. Pour the water into a medium saucepan and bring to a boil. Preparing the dressing, part 1. Put the hob on medium heat. Pour the water into a small saucepan. Add the vinegar and sugar. Stir for the sugar to dissolve. Set aside to cool down completely. This can take around 5 minutes. Preparing the eggs, part 2. The water should already be boiling. Using a spoon, carefully lower the eggs into the water. Boil for 8 minutes. Turn off the heat. Pour the hot water out and cover the eggs with cold water to cool. Set the saucepan aside. Lettuce preparation, part 1. Divide the lettuce into individual leaves. Rinse them with cold water. Rinsing lettuce leaves in cold water will keep them crisp. Rinsing lettuce leaves in warm water will cause them to lose their crispness and wilt. Dry the leaves of excess water. You can place the lettuce leaves on a paper kitchen towel or spread them on a dish drying rack. Preparing the dressing, part 2. Add cream to the saucepan with water, vinegar and the dissolved sugar. Mix well. The eggs should be cold before being added to the dressing. Peel the eggs. Rinse the eggs to get rid of any shell. Grate the eggs finally into the saucepan with the dressing. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Lettuce preparation, part 2. Tear the lettuce into smaller pieces with your hands and place in a large bowl. Add the salt. Mix well. Add the prepared dressing. Mix all the ingredients in the bowl. To serve. Perfect as a side to new potatoes with dill and onion and kefir, kotlety schabowe or other meats. Thank you for this episode and see you in the next one. Smacznego, friends!